when we look at the number of systems, in organizations, and the fact that so many people have to turn to lots of different systems in order to get their job done, we think about ServiceNow as the connective tissue across these systems, and we can use ServiceNow then as a way for people to come in and see data from lots of different systems, different data sets, to work with that data to drive an outcome, like I was describing before. And you know, ERP modernization is one of those core ideas because ERP has lots of these data sets. There are a lot of activities going on in these ERP systems, but sometimes the you know the experience isn't great. And I've seen ServiceNow sit on top of those ERP systems to provide that more modern experience. I've seen capabilities from ERP applications. Some of the functions move into ServiceNow, and some stay. But the reality is, you don't have to swap out a system in order to have ServiceNow on top of it, and ServiceNow providing that workflow and that experience, and the ability to have that single point.